In last video lecture, we have discussed two basic numericals on fluid mechanics. This is our third numerical on first chapter, that is properties of fluid and fluid pressure. The statement is 2 liter of petrol weight 4 Newton. Calculate specific weight, density, specific volume, specific gravity of petrol with respect to water. Okay, now we will solve it step by step. First step is write the given data and what we have to find. Okay, what we have in the statement is weight of oil, that is petrol, is 14 Newton, that capital W of P for petrol. Okay, it is 14 Newton, and we have to calculate it with respect to water. Rho of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is our given data, and what we have to find? We have to find specific weight, that means small w, density, that is rho of petrol. Okay, specific volume. Okay, then last quantity is specific gravity S. These four quantity we have to determine. Okay, now we will solve it step by step. The first quantity, that is specific weight. We know that the formula for specific weight is equal to W upon V, that is volume. Okay, but we don't have volume. But in example, in numerical, they have given 2 liter of petrol, so that is the volume. V is equal to 2 liter, but we don't need the unit in liter, we need it in meter cube. Okay, now just remember 2 liter conversion in meter cube is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. Okay, simply 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to 3 meter cube, 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. By using that, we have just multiply it as 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Now we get the volume and weight from the statement, and we will put here 14 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, and weight density here, small w, weight density is equal to 7000 Newton per meter cube. This is our first quantity. Second one is density. Second quantity is density. We know that weight density or specific weight is equal to m upon v and rho into g also. Now we have the value of small w, we know the value of g, that is 9.81. Simply by cross multiplying we get the value of rho. I will put here 7000 is equal to rho into 9.81. okay, here 9.81 get divided, so we will get rho is equal to 7000 divided by 9.81. it is equal to 1.4 into 713.56, and the unit of rho is kg per meter cube. Don't forget to write the unit. Up to here we have calculated two quantities. Now we will see third quantity, specific volume. Third quantity is specific volume. We know that the formula for specific volume is volume divided by m, or we can write it as 1 upon rho also. We have determined the value of rho is equal to 713.56 kg per meter cube. Now we will put here small v is equal to 1 upon 713.56. Just put this value in calci and we will get specific volume is equal to 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4, and the unit is meter cube divided by kg. Then the fourth and last quantity is specific gravity. We denote it by capital letter S, and the formula for that is rho of liquid. Here we have the liquid is petrol, so we will write here rho of P divided by rho of pure water, that is W. Okay, and the quantity of rho of petrol is nothing but 713.56. just we have calculated from this formula, divided by rho of oil is equal to 1000. Okay, and you can able to calculate this ratio as 0.7135. it is not having the unit. Why? Both the quantity are having same unit and in numerator and denominator, so both the units are get cancelled, that is rho and rho of water, so it does not have the unit. In next lecture we will solve some numericals and related terms also. Thank you.